In the name of Allah, the entirely merciful, the specially merciful. Friends of honors, guests of honors, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. The title of my speech today is Uswa Hasana. Dear friends, Allah Almighty says, indeed the messenger of Allah is a good example for you. When darkness took its full sway over the world, when the storms of reality engulfed God creation, when ignorance gripped mankind in the fall claws of the monsters. Respected teachers, Allah Almighty creatures were screaming, Satanism was smiling under the lid. There was a period of bad faith and evil deeds everywhere. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala had mercy on his creatures to deliver the message of peace and reconciliation, to protect them from ignorance and tyrannical power. He sent to Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the groom of the throne, the merciful and generous master, to inform about the knowledge and grace, the straight path, the reason of the creation of the Quran. Honorable guest, you, peace be upon him, were sent complete in every aspect of life, appearance, knowledge and deeds. With your coming, the mouth of ignorance were cut off, the teeth of oppression were set, the suffering got relief, the slaves got freedom, women got status and honor. Honorable guest, this is because you turned the world upside down with all abilities given by the creator of the universe. You lit a candle of light in every field of life, which has not dimmed till today and will not dim till the day of resurrection. Honorable guest, as a leader, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, fulfilled the right of leadership. I want to end my speech with that. नूरे खुदा है कुफर की हरकत पे खंदजन, फूंकों से ये चिराग बुझाया ना जाएगा. We should be able to become the best people and ummah by following life of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, and Sunnah. Wassalam.